Welcome, explorers of the unknown, to a world where curiosity reigns supreme. Today, we delve into the realm of mind-blowing science experiments, a journey to unleash your inner scientist. First, we venture into the world of chemistry, where a simple mix of vinegar and baking soda erupts into a frothy fountain, a delightful mess that teaches you about acid-base reactions. Next, we step into physics, exploring the magic of non-Newtonian fluids. Just cornstarch and water, but behave like neither liquid nor solid. Press it, it's hard. Let it slip, it flows. Science can indeed be strange and wonderful. Moving on, we enter the fascinating world of biology. Watch how a potato can power a digital clock. The starchy spud becomes a battery, thanks to the chemistry of electrolytes. Finally, a dash of fun with optics. Try bending light with a glass of water. It's not magic, it's refraction. So there you have it. A few simple yet mind-blowing experiments to kickstart your journey into the captivating world of science. Remember, the universe is a mystery waiting to be unraveled, and you, my friends, are the detectives. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep that scientific spirit alive.